Alright, the first thing I do is get my sandpaper eraser. There's not a lot of buildup on there, but I'm going to go ahead and just knock it off real quick. This is a must-have. Got a nice piece of hard maple here. Slide that in. Then I turn this drum and I lower it till the drum stops turning. So, right there's my contact point. Then I do 2 revolutions the other direction. I can slide my piece out and return it to where it was. Now I'm ready to run it through the sander. I'll send it through a couple passes to smooth it out real nice, and it'll be all ready to go. Do a 1/4 turn for each pass.